if you want me to rap killer. I can kill the scrap if you want me to rap killer.
Warrior, motherfucking scrappa, so sorry. Running out of blocking, I can kill the scrap if you want me to. Not just for you, but for my damn self too, fool. The process of elimination was built on my frustration of this scrappa invasion. Focus on the enemy, keep it close, local. Sell them the crank, I'm the smoke it out the focal. If you wanna murder, insert the N-O-R-T-E X-I-P till eternity. Much love to the veteranos of the north. They were paving the way for the camaradas in it. The blood that was shed was not in vain. Cause the fallen soldiers are going insane. You'd be surprised how religious these scrappas get when they're falling on their knees, looking up, grabbing their neck. Let me introduce you to the norte. But they need scrappa, scrappa mi cuente. The few, the proud, the norteños. Much love to all the norteños that have made sacrifices, and those who continue to sacrifice. Norte exile.